guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how you can get these curls with the straightener. And I have to warn you, I don't have any makeup on, so it might be a little scary. I'm gonna brush my hair before we do anything else. So I'm done brushing. I switched between two leave-in conditioners. This one right here is my favorite smelling good one. This is my all-time favorite. I get it from Target. It's a complete repair balm for damaged hair, which I have. And I use this all over my hair. So once I'm done doing all of that, I'm just gonna let it air dry, and then I will be back. And I'm back. My hair is finally dry, air dried. This is how it looks. I love, 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 love this stuff. Again, you can get it from Target. Literally the bomb. So anyways, I did put some makeup on because I was bored, but I am using my comb. I have a handful of clips here, and then my used and abused John Freida straightener, which is already heated up and ready to go. As you can tell, I've had this thing forever. It's not all about the looks, people. It still works, so it's good. So now for the fun part. We parted our hair, we're ready to go. Sorry, I just scratched my nose. I did not pick my nose or scratch it. I'm gonna use this texturizing spray as my hairspray. So I'm taking pretty big pieces because I don't want the tight curls, and I kind of want them all to like flow together. I don't know what that was. So I'm gonna try to explain this as good as I can. Fingers on the front side, thumb on the back. You're gonna flip, clamp it, I can't see. Clamp it. You're gonna put this over and twist it the same side so that your fingers are on top and your thumb is on the bottom now. And you're literally just gonna pull it. I guess, see, and isn't that so cute? I guess I should mention my straightener is rounded. It's not a flat, like it's rounded at the edges, so that really is going to matter when you want curls. So yeah, then you're just gonna go in with your spray and spray it, and that's it. And then you're just gonna go ahead and do the whole head. So I'm gonna show you again. Grab another big chunk. I'm gonna take my straightener with my fingers on the front and my thumb on the back, face it forward first, flip it like that, clamp. Once you clamp, throw this over and flip like that. I hope you guys can understand that. And voila, you have another curl. Do not brush out your curls yet. You want to wait till the end. Again, another large piece of hair. Do you guys use the same hand for both sides of your hair? Because I can do both hands, if that's a thing. I don't. So again, you're gonna hold it forward, flip, clamp your hair, flip your hair over and the straightener, and just pull it through. You want to go a little bit slow depending on the kind of curls you want. Grab another big chunk of hair, or small, whatever you prefer. Fingers in the front, thumb in the back, flip it, clamp it, put your hair over and flip it. And that's it. We have finished these curls. How do they look? You might see some straight pieces, but we will get to those when we're done and we're looking it over. And if you kind of hold it at this angle rather than like this, if you kind of hold it like this, it will flow or like curl away from your face. Okay, so now for the top part of my hair, I'm gonna start like down here because I want this part to be straight but this part to be curly. So I'm gonna start down here and do the same thing. If you're taking smaller sections of hair, you want to move a little bit quicker because then your curls will be super tight. This is how it looks before I brush it out. I'm going to go ahead and just run my fingers through a little bit. We're going to go in and fix any parts that we need to fix, any straight curls or any straight pieces or whatnot. I'll take like a little piece from my bang area and I'll just curl it a little bit more, kind of fastly, so that it can curl outwards like that. And you want to curl away from your face, and that is how you can get curls with a straightener. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you try this, comment down below and let me know how it worked out for you. I hope I was able to explain it in a way that you can understand. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, you know, all that other stuff. And I'll see you guys next time.